Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Clearscope for competitor-based outlines step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Clearscope website. Log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't done so. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the dashboard. Enter your target keyword relevant to your content topic. After entering the keyword, click on the search icon. Clearscope will generate a report displaying related keywords and phrases. Review the list of top-performing competitors for that keyword. Take note of the competitors' titles, meta descriptions, and overall content structure. Next, find the outline section within the report. Click on the Create Outline button to start building your competitor-based outline. Start with the main points derived from the top competitors' content. Add subtopics that complement the main points you have identified. Use the related keywords suggested by Clearscope to enhance your outline. Ensure that each section of your outline targets a specific aspect of the topic. Pay attention to the recommended word count for each section. Incorporate relevant data or statistics that your competitors used, if available. Review your outline for depth and breadth to cover the topic comprehensively. Save your outline once you are satisfied with its structure. You can now use this outline as a guide to create your content. Finally, revisit Clearscope after your content is complete to optimize using their tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.